Hello, Chemistry 10HH students. This is Mrs. Altman. We are on video number 21, Stoichiometry Part 2. Here are our objectives for today's video. Pause here. So we've already discussed molar mass when it came to atoms. It's just the mass that is listed on the periodic table. That mass in grams is equal to 1 mole. We're also going to want to be able to apply this to compounds or also of elements that exist as molecules. All you do is you add the molar masses of the atoms and make it. You don't really need to worry about sig figs because every periodic table is slightly different. Pause here. Right, so before we can actually do a calculation, we need the chemical formulas. So you're going to have to remember your nomenclature. And then I will use a periodic table, find beryllium, see that its molar mass is 9.01. Then I've got 2 chlorines, each with a molar mass of 35.45. Just add it together. And the unit here is grams per mole. The others follow the same sort of format. So it's okay to round for things that are very, very close to whole numbers. So like fluorine was like 18.999 something. That's okay to round up to 19. But for something like chlorine, where it's really not super close to a whole number, I would keep at least 1 decimal place in there. So if you did 35.5, that's okay with me. I have a copy of a periodic table that has fewer decimal places if you guys are interested in that. And then if any of you didn't already figure it out, where that 3 and that 12 came from, I just distributed out the 3 that was outside of the parentheses. So it's really Fe2S3O12. Pause here. All right, so before I actually do the problem, I'm again going to need the chemical formula. So you'll need your polyatomic ion sheet. And then I'm going to go ahead and calculate the molar mass before I even do the problem. Great. For A, I am looking for number of moles. So I'm going to use molar mass, kind of similar to how I did in the prior video. So I just divide by the molar mass. Carbon atoms, it gets a little bit more complex. So I started off the same way. I have to convert it to moles before I could really proceed from there. So I could convert it to molecules, and then within every molecule, there is 1 carbon atom. Then I can just put this all in my calculator. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.